I'm Emily Winfield Martin, and I'm the author and illustrator of a new book called Dream Animals. Your dream animal is waiting for you, October 2013, and I can't wait for you to meet them. There are so many bedtime books, and I kind of thought that the only way it would really be incredible to do one is to invent an entirely new nighttime mythology. So with the help of my editor and designer, we invented a new story about what happens when you go to sleep and when you dream of these creatures that are ancient and magical and take you off to your own particular dream. If you can choose your own dream animal, which I'm not sure you can, I would love to choose a bear or a giant rabbit. But bizarrely, and this kind of came back to me after we had started working on the book, I used to have a recurring nightmare about a pack of crazy cats that would chase me, but there was this one big blue-black cat that would say always rescue me, and so maybe he was a dream animal. I'm not sure, but that kind of comes from a dark place. I often have images long before I have words to accompany them, and this was the same as well. We actually had finished art long before we had the story, and so we created essentially all of the art for the book, and then I wrote the story to accompany the images I had created for this book, dozens of images. I just hope that they have an incredible time kind of exploring the images and kind of getting lost in those dreams themselves and seeing all the little bits that are in there, and then that they're excited to go off to their own dreams and excited to, explore their own fantastical places that are kind of in the recesses of our minds that are just, at our disposal.